In this tutorial, I will guide you through various methods for capturing screenshots in Windows 11, along with some expert tips for finding and editing those screenshots. Using the Snipping Tool. The Snipping Tool is typically pinned to the taskbar. Simply open and use it. If it's not pinned, open the Start menu and search for Snipping Tool. Click on the app to launch it and consider pinning it for easy access. By default, the camera symbol for screenshots is selected. You can switch to the video symbol if you wish to record your screen. This feature also allows you to set a delay timer for taking the screenshot. Choose from different modes: rectangle, window, full screen, or freeform. To capture a screenshot, click New. If you select rectangle, you can drag your mouse to identify a specific area on your screen to save the image. When you choose the window mode, it captures a screenshot of only the selected window on your screen. Simply click on the desired window to take its screenshot. For instance, this could be a browser window, a file explorer window, or any other application window, such as the one from my video editing software. The full screen mode in Snipping Tool captures everything visible on your screen, which you can crop later. The Freeform mode enables you to screenshot a designated area of your choice. Using Windows key plus Shift plus S. For a quick screenshot without opening the Snipping Tool, press Windows logo key plus Shift plus S to access the Snip Sketch tool. You can choose from various snip types, including rectangle, freeform, window, or full screen. Did you know? You can capture full-page HD screenshots of a website. Check the link in the description for our tutorial. Using the print screen key. Another quick way to take screenshots is using the print screen key, usually found at the top right corner of most keyboards and labeled as print screen, PRTSC, print screen, or PRNTSR. Press the print screen key to capture the entire screen. If it doesn't work, go to Windows Settings, then Accessibility, and select Keyboard. Ensure the print screen key is toggled on for screen capture. On some keyboards, you may need to press Fn and the print screen keys together to open the Snipping Tool. Taking screenshots using Game Bar. If you are gaming or using a gaming application, press Windows logo key plus G to open the game bar. Click the camera icon to take a screenshot. How to find captured and saved screenshots. Captured screenshots are typically copied to your clipboard and displayed immediately for editing or saving. You can paste them into an image editor like Paint or MS Document. If another full-screen app is running and the screenshots don't appear, click the notification bell icon in the lower right corner of the screen to select the screenshot for editing. If you are working on multiple screenshots simultaneously, hover over the Snipping Tool to access specific ones for editing. To view saved screenshots, right-click on the Snipping Tool in the taskbar and select any recently saved screenshots. Locate your saved screenshots in PNG format by navigating to the Pictures folder in File Explorer, then opening the Screenshots folder. Editing your screenshots. Once you've captured the screenshots, a Snipping Tool pop-up window will present you with a variety of editing options. You can use the ballpoint pen to write or draw. The highlighter allows you to emphasize important elements. The eraser can remove some or all modifications made to the screenshot. You also have the ability to crop the image, retaining a selected area while removing any unwanted parts. If your screenshot contains text, utilize the text tool to extract and easily copy it from the image. The Snipping Tool can even extract text from an image rendered in 3D letters. Using the undo and redo buttons, you can remove or restore recent changes made to your screenshot. To save your work, click the Save button to either store the screenshot in your preferred folder location. There is also an option to copy the screenshot and paste it into any application like a Word document, email, or WhatsApp message. Explore more options through the three-dot menu, where you can share the screenshot via email or social media apps. You can see that the screenshot on my screen has a border, which helps differentiate it from the same color background, especially when uploaded to a web page. To add this border, navigate to the three-dot menu, access Snipping Tool settings, and enable the Add Border to each screenshot option. You can then choose the color and thickness of the border. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on Windows 11. For example, method to apply custom color to taskbar on Windows 11 in light mode. I hope you found this tutorial informative. If so, please like the video and subscribe to the Dozro channel.